Hi everyone, here we've got Niteo Tools Titan, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's find the personal section and tap on language and input, and let's scroll to the Android keyboard. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see, now we are using system language, but in order to turn on and activate a whole list of languages, then simply tap on the switcher here. And as you can see, as I said, all languages are active and we can choose something from them. So let me pick, for example, maybe Arabic. In order to choose something and apply it to the keyboard, simply tap on the switcher right next to it. And as you can see, now it is active. So let's get it back and let's open the keyboard, for example in messages, it doesn't really matter. And as you can see here, we've got our keyboard. Now it is English keyboard, but here we've got the globe icon. So after tapping on this, we can easily switch to another language. And after tapping on the globe icon again, we can get back to English. Now let me show you how to turn off the language we just chose. Let's get it back into the settings, tap on language and input. Let's click on Android keyboard, click on languages. And if you do not want to use system language, but you want to use the language from this list, simply tap on the switcher here to turn it off. And from now on, we will have only English applied. So that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Niteo Tools Titan. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.